Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong. My name is Shelly and today I am doing this wonderful unboxing that I am super excited about getting into. So let's go ahead and get started. Voila! So let's get this open here. And the unboxing is going to be from Lancôme. Oh my goodness. Wow. Lancôme from Paris. They have sent me this wonderful box with goodies. Yay! We all love goodies. So let's get started. So much. Where do I go? Where do I go? I cannot express my gratitude for Lancôme and what they do for the environment, their customers, their marketing techniques are just by far the best. And that's why I have been a Lancôme customer for well over 30 years. Yes, I said 30 years. I don't look it, huh? Thank you. So, but let's go ahead and get into this box. But first and foremost, I'm going to tell you again, I love their marketing techniques. And not only do they care for their customers, they also care for the environment. They offer recycling, and then they have refills for your perfumes, your eau de parfum. So let's go ahead and let me show you this. Let me lift it up, and they give you a lot of things, gift with purchases, because in that way you can try it, and if you like it, then you go out and buy. So the marketing technique is by far perfect. I am loving it. So let's go ahead and get in here and see everything that they have given me. So they give you a slip with everything that you have purchased, so to make sure that you got everything that you ordered. And the shipping was very quick. Tracking, updates, rewards program, offer. So I am in love with Lancôme. So the first thing in this box is, yes, it is a Hydrogel melting mask. So I will try this, and I may even do a review on it, because if I love it, I'm going to share this with you. But this is one of the items that I got, was a Hydrogel melting mask. Okay, so I'm ready for a spa day, guys. And the next thing is, it's a lot in this box. Wow. I'm gonna go ahead and open the individual items in the box. Okay, I'm back. I've opened everything up so that we can get this done. So the next item up is, every girl needs these. Every chance I get, I grab them up. And this is a headband so that you can do your facials, you can remove your makeup, even put your makeup on. And it is so soft. It's terry cloth and it's pink. So I love it. I am collecting these. I keep at least 2 of these in each of my bathrooms. So I am loving it. It's so soft. Okay, so that's the headband. And these are gift with purchases. Okay, I'll put you over to the side. And the next item that pops right out is, who doesn't need a makeup bag? This is Caring for Happier Futures, Lancôme. It is fabric, and it will sit up. Once you put your makeup and your other items in, you just take it and simply drawstring, and then you can carry it. This will be marvelous for me at the gym, because I can just put everything in here, and when I get out the shower at the gym, my makeup and everything is ready to get started to go to the next phase of my life. Love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is another gift with purchase. Their marketing technique is awesome, because that gives you the opportunity again to try it, and if you like it, you can go buy it. So I love their marketing technique. But this is an eye cream here. So again, all of these items that I got, I will try them, and if I like it, I'll buy it, and then we will go ahead and do reviews on it. So again, this is a light infusing eye cream. Okay, put you over to the side. And the next item is, these are all gift with purchases, guys. We haven't got to the main attraction yet. So this one here is a hydrating, comforting toner. This is a nice good size too. Okay. The next item is a comforting, cleansing, creamy foam with rose extract. All of these are going to be put in the description box as well. Comforting, cleansing, creamy foam with rose extract. And it's for dry skin. And I do have dry skin. This is a nice size sample too. And the next item is, this is the High Performance Anti-Aging Cream. Pretty bottle too. I love getting gift with purchases. And the next item is Lancome's mascara. And it's called Glossy Black. And let's open it up here. It's got a nice little curve on it. Very nice. I can't wait to try this. Sounds like a makeover. It's coming. And the next item is Youth Activating Concentrate. And last but not least of the gift with purchases is this lipstick. And let's open it up and see what the color is. Ooh, this is a very, very rich color. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Now, of course, the numbers on this is so little, I cannot read it. So I will have to go through the receipt, find out the color, and I will put it in the description box because I cannot read that. These old eyes here cannot read it. But again, the color is actually very sophisticated. It's beautiful. I love it. I love, love, love lipstick. So this is another one that's going to be added to my collection. It is beautiful. Look at that. So rich, sophisticated. I love it. So that is all of the gift with purchases. Let's get on to the real deal at what I went out to purchase. Again, they're having a rewards program with Lancome, and the rewards program is awesome. The shipping was perfect. They gave you tracking numbers, they gave you updates, they text you, you can get emails and all of those things. But now for the unveiling or the unboxing of the two items that I purchased. L'EAU de Parfum. This is my favorite. Let me take it out the box. This is the original. I purchased this with now getting the refills, and my bottle that I have now existing, I probably have maybe 5 or 6 sprays left in the bottle. And you do not want to be without your HAUTE-PERFORMANCE when you're going out. So I went ahead and placed my order at a good time where they had a lot of great sales going on. This fragrance here is considered the original, and it is the fragrance of happiness. I love the bottle, and it smells wonderful. It has a vibrant, earthy fragrance of patchouli. It is a sensual, warm vanilla with spun sugar. It lasts a long time, and the scent is amazing. I will tell you, if I was in the gym about a week ago and I was getting out of the shower and I had the lotion, I don't carry this bottle with me. I do have a small sample that I keep in my spray bottle, but I had put on the lotion and I was getting dressed, and a lady walks by, and then she doubles back and she comes back. She says, "Oh my goodness, you smell good. What do you have on?" So I had the lotion bottle in my hand, so I showed her the bottle of lotion. She says, "This smells amazing." I said, "I don't even have the perfume on. It's just the lotion." And I had that happen to me in the elevator. So people were like, "Oh my God, it smells amazing. We've got to go get this." This is a fabulous scent. It smells wonderful. and it lasts a very, very long time. So again, this is my favorite, my love child, L'EAU de Belle. I love it. I love it. So that was the first item that I purchased. And let's go ahead and go to the next one. So again, this was the original. All of this is going to be in the description box. You know, I can't leave you hanging. It is in the description box, and I'm telling you, if you are to purchase this, you will not regret it. It is the most amazing smell that lasts a long time. And again, if you forgot your perfume and you're at the gym and you're getting showered, or wherever you are, you forgot the perfume, then you just put the lotion on, and it is just that type of vibe. It is a wonderful, wonderful product. Go by the makeup counter for Lancome, give yourself a little squirt, walk through the mall, come back, you're gonna purchase this. I promise you, this smells wonderful. So, and again, I got the one now that I can do the refills, so I don't ever have to worry about running out of my favorite. So that was this one. And then of course, my new baby, L'EAU de Belle, has a new fragrance. This one is called L'EAU de Belle. Let's go ahead and open her up. This one is going to be my first time smelling it because it's new for me. It's a limited edition, and it has the same, this is the, and it has the same bottle, but the difference is, and this is how I'm going to know which one is which, because this one has the rose petal here, the other one has the gray bow. That's how I can tell them apart. So this is a new fragrance. It's a limited edition, so I guess it depends on how well it does, if they're gonna keep it or not, but I'm gonna try it for the first time today. Limited edition, Iris, Vibrant Patchouli, and Vanilla. And it leaves a warm, sensual trail. Ooh. So we're gonna go ahead and smell this for the first time. Let's see if it can compete with my original, my love child. Okay. And this is on a refill also too. So let's go in and take a whiff here. Ooh. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, it smells good. This is an amazing smell. I love it. And it's definitely a little bit different. One is vibrant and the other one is warm. So I'm going to say this one is has more pop to it. So this will probably be my daytime. And then the original, my love child, will more than likely be my evening attire, because this one has more, whoop, it'll pop at you. It's really vibrant. And you can smell the vanilla with spun sugar, and it will leave a warm, sensual trail. So this is really good. I like this. I love it. So this is my love child and this one. So I am hooked on both of them. So if you have tried this before, or if you are a fan of this perfume, please make sure you put that in the comment section for me. Let me know if you tried it and what are your thoughts. So I'm just going to tell you guys my weakness, and they're not in any certain order, but perfume, lipstick, jewelry, shoes, and handbags. All of those things you can just put on a simple black dress and you'll be fine. It doesn't matter, because your jewelry, your handbag, your shoes, and your cologne is going to set the scene. And this perfume is setting the scene. So if you haven't tried it, I encourage you to try it. Go by the makeup counter for Lancome, spray it on, walk around, come back, get your credit card or your check card or your cash ready, because you're going to buy it. I love it. So guys, that is it for the unboxing. I truly appreciate you hanging around and sticking with me. So please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you're notified of all my videos when they are uploaded. Share me out, because sharing is caring. And as I always say at the end of each and every one of my videos, God bless you. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye for now.